Hi everyone! So today I want to do a review on one of the most hyped up products lately on YouTube. It's the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. It's a concealer. I've only swatched it so far. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. I hope the color is right. I have nothing on my face right now, so we'll do that now. And I will try the concealer. I am gonna start with my Prime and Fine Nude Glow Primer from Catrice Cosmetics. It's with pomegranate oil and it makes a beautiful glowy finish. I just like to put it on my face like this. I'll just massage it in. As you can see, it gives like a nice glow to the skin. I like it a lot. I don't know, it just makes you, like, it's hydrating and it just makes you feel and look glowy. And then we'll go in with a really light foundation today. It's the Glam Beige by L'Oreal. It's a healthy glow foundation. It's in the color light. I believe there are only 3 colors. It's the light, medium, and dark. And it's a very light foundation, but it makes you look glowy. I just love this so much because I love going to work like this, because it just, you know, I mean, I work with a lot of people and I just don't like to look cakey. And so I like this foundation a lot. It's very liquidy as well. So we'll just put it on I like to put it on just like this. Perfect. And then I like to take my dampened beauty blender and just work it in. As you will see, it's very light coverage, but it does the trick. Just work this in. I mean, as you can see, it's just really nice. The color light is almost a little bit too dark for me, but I don't mind. It's summertime and I'm really pale, so a little bit of color, I don't mind. And sometimes I just like to go in with a little bit more, so we'll try that too. And we'll do a little bit more here, just a little bit. Blend it out with the beauty sponge. This is not a name sponge. It's a drugstore sponge that I've been loving. It's from Ebeline, I don't know how you call it. It's a really nice sponge. I mean, it's almost like the Real Techniques one. It looks like it, just in blue, not in orange. And I like to take it down my neck as well a little bit because the color is a little bit off. But that's okay. And I think we're nice and blended now. Do you like the foundation on me? I don't know. I love it. I mean, you know, it just makes a healthy kind of face. All right, so now it's time to test out the concealer. I'm excited. I got the color C2, which is quite light. Has a big doe foot applicator, but it's a really nice applicator. I like it a lot. And we'll just go in and hope the color's right. Oh, it feels really thick. And usually for my concealer, I do like the little triangle one. Yeah, and just, you know, go in those corners. I mean, it does say it's full coverage. And then we'll just go up here a little bit. Go down the nose. A little here and a little here. I have hyperpigmentation around my lips, like on the upper part of my lips, so it always looks like I'm wearing a mustache, which I hate. You know, but I've gotten used to it, so I love everything that's full coverage, which I am hoping this is. We'll find out. So far it feels really creamy and very thick, but not too thick. I guess we'll just go and blend it out and see what it does. We'll just start here. Oh yeah, that adds a nice highlight. And I just like to take it all around my mouth just because of the hyperpigmentation that I have. It's really annoying. I don't know, do you guys have that too? It just pisses me off because the darker and the more tanned I get, the darker those pigments get. And in the summertime when we go on vacation, it just looks horrible. Okay, so that's blended out. We'll just go up here. Okay, so that's looking really nice so far. And we'll go in. And I really like to go into those corners because they get the darkest. And I also like to go over my eyes. And oh my goodness, this looks really nice, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. Like, I can see it in my mirror right here. Do you make that stupid face too when you're blending out anything? Like open your mouth and just hope for the best? I think this looks really nice so far. I don't know, but I like to go in with a lot of concealer. I just like it. I feel like I look nice and fresh now, better than I looked before. You can't really, I mean, you know, I do have hyperpigmentation around here too. So I like to go in with the bigger side at the end just to blend it in even more. But I think this looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Don't forget the nose. All right. So I think this looks really nice. What do you think? And I'll just put on some powder and the rest of my face. It's not gonna be much today. I'm just doing a light face more or less. And I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, it's not a lot today. I didn't feel like it really. I don't know, the concealer looks really nice, I think. I feel like my under eyes are really nicely highlighted. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel, I don't know, it almost felt hydrating. I like that highlighter. I like that concealer a lot. I'll test it out more and I'll keep you updated on how I like it. I don't know if it will be better than my most favorite one, which is the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC. This is just the best concealer ever, in my opinion. I love it so much. It's really, really good. Like, it keeps my eyes covered and all day. It doesn't make my mascara like flake or anything. It's really nice. I love it so much. So we'll see if this one does the same. As I said, I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!